This is how you can create this podcast level image using AI. Now I'm gonna use Google Gemini. I love you get image. Just come here, click on the create image. Now you upload your rough image. Come to your photos, look for an image that really look like you, that you want to use, not edit. I'm taking this video photo to understand about prompting an image. You can use your natural language to prompt your image. Forget about all those big grammar that most people they want to make you look as if AI is very hard. AI is not hard. AI is just like directing somebody to do something. Now read the prompts that I gave. Say use my uploaded image as the exact face and hair reference. Now what do I mean by this? I don't want it to change the hair. I don't want it to change the face. It should use my skin, everything about me. Do not change my facial feature, hairstyle, texture, hairline or tone. Keep my identity fully intact and realistic. Understand? This particular thing will make the AI to keep my identity. Everything about me will still be intact. Okay. Now, in as much as you can speak English, anyhow you want to speak this English for AI, don't change this face. Now you might not really twist your own to be like this, understand? So long as you want it, don't change this. You can also say don't change this face, okay? Keep maintaining the face. AI is as simple as that, okay? It's a create. Now this is what I want. Keeping this is what I want. I don't command. It's like a command to AI. It's a create a professional corporate studio portrait from the mid torso upward. I am standing confidently with arms gently crossed, posture straight and elegant. Outfits tailored navy blue blazer with silver or metallic button. Now if on this particular outfit I want to change it to red blazers, I can literally change it, okay? You can change it. You can change it to your blazer, whatever color. It will give you the red blazer. Let's come. Even if you want to change it to a red fitted gown, check the outfit. Say red fitted gown. It will actually give you modern business executive style. Add subtle luxury, smart wristwatch, bag and business magazine. All these things are not even really necessary, but you just have to style it. I say high resolution so that it will not give me a low quality image. The image should be high, good quality and sharp quality, okay? That's why you see the high resolution. Okay, face, you see it now, calm. So if you check most of this thing, it is what you want. So I will click on send and wait for it to send it. I saw it the other time that I love using Google Gemini to generate my image because it has nano banana, and this image I'm generating is free. Unlike ChatGPT, if I wanted to generate an image for me, it will take me numbers of years. Okay. In the image we have something like this, okay? Remember we said navy blue. This is the navy blue. We say white. This is it. You see my hair here and my hair here is actually the same, and my face is similarly the same. So get it? Okay, fine. Now I did not want to put the full this thing. Now I can say from this image now, maintaining. Look at the next this thing now. I told you you can prompt AI with your natural language. Maintaining the image, the same image, okay? Add a podcast microphone and make the image sits on a black office chair. You see the terms I use is very easy. If I say a white chair, it will actually give me a white chair. Okay, add soft light to it. Soft lights. to it. Then you wait for it to generate for you. Okay, this is the image. Now if there's anything you don't like in the image, okay, you can actually change from here. So this is the image it generated. So from this image I will now say add a table in front. Now notice very well, if ChatGPT, if these people generate a video that you don't like, reject it, they will give you another one, okay, of the image. And let's harvest. Okay, I don't like this image. Okay, I don't like this image. Okay, without crossing a leg. Okay, you can see it now. It has changed. My hands, my leg is not crossing again. It's just sitting up straight. Okay, so you can go ahead and save this image. You can go ahead, let's say you want to save this image, just click on here, the image will be saved to you.